Welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be looking at how to do animated text in CapCut using keyframes. So here we are in CapCut and we're at the Place de Valois in Paris. Viewers of Emily in Paris will recognise this as the location of Savoir, the office where Emily works. And there's Georgie May on her phone. Maybe she's finding a restaurant for us to have lunch at. Ah, maybe that's the restaurant. Okay, so if we want to add some text here, what I'm going to do is scroll along to where George is closest to the camera and in the centre of the screen to make sure the text doesn't go over her. And we're going to add some text. Make it caps. I think we'll write Paris Life. Choose a font. Oh, that one looks cool. Now we're going to stretch that out to the length of the clip. And I'm going to scroll along to where I want the text to end up. So where I want it to end up full size on the screen. Once I've found that point, I'm going to add a keyframe by tapping on the little diamond. Then I'm going to scroll right back to the beginning of the clip and I'm going to shrink that text right down. So what will happen is, as it plays through to that keyframe, the text will grow bigger on the screen. So the end result looks like this. And that's it. If you found this video useful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.